In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to earn Flybuys points with Target gift cards. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand the difference between buying a Target gift card and using one. When you purchase a Target gift card or e-gift card, you don't earn Flybuys points on that gift card purchase. However, when you redeem a Target gift card to buy eligible products at Target, you can earn Flybuys points on those eligible purchases by scanning or linking your Flybuys account. Gift card purchases themselves are excluded from earning points, but using a gift card as payment for eligible merchandise does not prevent you from collecting Flybuys points. To earn your points, sign into your Target account. Enter your Flybuys member number during checkout or scan your Flybuys card when shopping in a Target Australian store. As long as your purchase includes eligible items, the Flybuys points will be added to your account even if you paid using a Target gift card. Points are typically credited within 24 to 48 hours after your purchase. Keep in mind that some products and transactions are excluded from earning Flybuys points, so it's always a good idea to review the current Flybuys terms and Target exclusions before completing your purchase. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.